Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have this beautiful 2004 GMC Sierra. It's our friend Joey's, and honestly I don't remember when it was properly detailed from the outside to interior to even the engine bay. So today in this video I am going to show you guys how to properly clean your engine bay using a pressure washer and our all-purpose all-surface cleaner. All Clean is a citrus-based product that can be diluted to your needs. It could be used on the interior, exterior, undercarriage, even your wheels. Just be sure to dilute it to your needs. To begin this engine bay clean, I am going to go ahead and cover up all the sensitive areas like the intake, the alternator, and the battery. If your vehicle does have electrical components that are not waterproof, be sure to cover them up so you won't get water in them. Just so I could be extra precautious, I grabbed the microfiber towel, wrapped it around those areas, then put a plastic bag over them just so I make sure there's no water getting into it. Next, you'll grab your pressure washer just so you can rinse down all the loose grime and debris from your engine bay. A quick pro tip guys, whenever you guys are using a pressure washer on your engine bay, be sure to stay at least a foot away from delicate components so you won't damage them. Then you'll grab All Clean and you spray it onto the engine bay. Allow it to penetrate the dirt for about like 15 to 30 seconds and then start scrubbing. After you allowed All Clean to sit on the surface for 15 seconds, you'll go ahead and grab your gray flag tip brush to clean large and easy to reach areas. To clean hard to reach areas, you'll go ahead and grab the red rocket brush. It's flexible and bendable and virtually fits anywhere. For intricate details, you'll use the Boar's hair detailing brush to reach areas where large brushes do not fit. When you finish cleaning your engine bay using your detailing brushes, be sure to rinse it all off using your pressure washer. After it's completely rinsed off, grab a green Workhorse microfiber towel to dry it up. Then use V.R.P. V.R.P is a water-based dressing that does not accumulate dust. As soon as you apply it, it's dry to the touch and will restore any vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Remember guys, V.R.P can be used on the outside, inside, tires, and even your engine bay. If you guys like this video and want to see more truck videos, like and subscribe. If you have any questions on how to clean your engine bay, comment down below. Don't forget guys, we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And tune in next time where we tackle the exterior of this black GMC.